Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 14789 Highview Road on beautiful Lake Ontario. Hi, I'm Rich Testa. Let's take a tour. Perfectly positioned on a private acre of land, this architect-designed ranch home delivers the ultimate combination of privacy, comfort, and lakefront lifestyle. A charming covered front porch with stone accents welcomes you inside to a spacious foyer with immediate views of the lake. This is one floor living at its best. The heart of this dream home is a dramatic vaulted ceiling great room with a wall of glass, fireplace, and incredible natural light, perfectly framing the stunning Lake Ontario backdrop. The designer cook's kitchen offers beautiful cabinetry, stunning countertops, and seamless flow for entertaining, plus those beautiful lake views. This Lakeview owner suite has it all, including a spacious vaulted ceiling bedroom, a spa-inspired bath, and peaceful views of the property through the sliding glass door to the covered porch. A separate wing offers 2 additional bedrooms and a bath, providing space for family and guests. The excitement continues with this finished walkout lower level, featuring lake views with a sizable living space and a guest suite with a bath, plus exceptional storage. The quality craftsmanship of this beautiful home is evident in the details. Step outside to an entertainment-sized deck overlooking the lake, perfect for relaxing, hosting, or simply enjoying unforgettable sunsets. A sweeping lawn leads you directly to the shoreline, with 115 feet of natural stone beach and crystal clear waters. Highview Road on Lake Ontario is a neighborhood of fine homes with easy access to Rochester, Buffalo, and even New York City. Nearby this property is Hamlin Beach State Park and many marinas. Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 14789 Highview Road on amazing Lake Ontario. This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.